Hello everyone, happy new year, welcome to 2023. So let's do this one quickly. I've already cut out the neck depth. I'll mark 3 inches from the neck depth, okay? Then I'll take half of the neck depth, which is 1.5, then go in by 0.75. So from the neck depth, I'll connect it to the 0.75, then connect it to the 3 inches. You get? Okay? So next thing is to cut it out. Don't forget that this fabric is actually it's unfold, okay? So this front measurement is just normal measurement. I actually didn't record it because I forgot. I'm sorry. So now this is what it looks like, okay? For the back one, the shoulder is 4.5, shoulder slant of 0.5, arm cycle of 5 inches, half of the arm cycle, neck width of 1.5, then neck depth of 0.5. Connect like so. 1/4 of chest is 6 inches plus 1 inch is then 1 inch sewing allowance, making it 8 inches. So shoulder to waist is 11 inches plus 0.5 for joining, which is 11.5. From the neck depth, I'll be marking 4 inches. Actually, I won't be adding zip to this dress. So now I've cut 2 of it and I'll sew it like this from the neck, just round like this. Then for the back is 2 as well, and I'll put them front to front like so. Then I'll sew it this way. So I'm done sewing it and I'll just give it a notch. Make sure you notch yours so it will balance properly. I will turn over an iron. After ironing, I will then place the front and back like this, sew on the shoulders. Then I will mark out 1 inch. Remember, 1 inch sewing allowance. I will mark the 1 inch out. And I'm going to sew on the lines. So for the down part, I have 24 inches of this and it is unfold. It's actually 2, that's 4, like if it's folded, okay? Then the length is 14.5. So next thing to do is to make a gather stitch around like this, then hem the down part of it. Now I'm done with the upper bodice and I've added the basic sleeve. Now it's time to add the gather part to the upper bodice. Now this is the back side and I'll placing them front to front and I'll sew on 0.5 inch all around. For the petal design at the back, so I already have video on how to make this. I'll put the link on my description box. So next thing to do is just to fold the leaves like so. Then with my hand needle, I just want to make a design out of it. I'm adding this design so that it won't lay flat. You can see it's popping up a little bit like this. So next thing to do is just to add add them together one after the other. After adding them and stitching them very well, I added a design just to cover it up. Next thing to do is to place it on the gown. So this is what the gown looks like, and I added belts. So you place it like this at the back. You can see I still have my needle there to tack on it. You can decide to place it at the front, maybe by the side of the front like this.